Welcome back to another week of Stocks in Review for the upcoming week. In economic news affecting stocks, the Commerce Department reported this morning that new home sales increased nearly 3% to a seasonally adjusted 610,000 units in May. A significant revision was also made to April's numbers, raising it to 593,000 units from the 569,000 units reported earlier. Oil rose today after reaching a 10-month low from earlier this week. Prices overall have fallen about 20% for the year, despite efforts by OPEC to cut production. I'm not recommending any oil or energy-related stocks due to the volatility and the potential for prices to get back to the $30 range. Get ready for all the talking heads this weekend and all week long. The long-awaited Senate version of the healthcare bill was just released. Healthcare stocks did enjoy a nice pop yesterday. On watch this week, I have Northern Dynasty Minerals again. Today, the annual general meeting was held, and there was a lot of anticipation about whether any news or hint of news would be dropped. There were some good dips to buy again, going as low as 147 this afternoon. So far, management has been on track with everything, and I'm confident if they were able to get a partner before, they'll get a partner again. The CEO is saying that before the end of the third quarter, we should hear something. Keep in mind, there's a lot of smart money on this stock. This will have a pop next week. Also on watch, I have Tenex Therapeutics. The 30 days is up for the FDA to reply, and there's been a lot of accumulating going on. The recent charts are much more optimistic than they were just 6 weeks ago. My final stock on watch is Sprint. The chatter has really ratcheted up this week with a merger with T-Mobile. It hit a high of $8.33 a share and dipped to a low of $7.75 Tuesday afternoon. Between the crazy offers that Sprint has been making to get more subscribers just this week, along with the report from a German newspaper about the Deutsche Telekom growing fond of consolidating mobile companies, as well as numbers floating around between $9 and $10 a share as an all-stock purchase, something could happen any day, I believe. So keep an eye on this. The first stock I want to talk about is Valiant Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol VRX. Its shares soared this week when it was announced that John Paulson, a major shareholder of the firm and a well-known hedge fund manager, joined its board of directors. Valiant has a checkered past, but the technicals lead me to believe that it will be in the high teens before the end of next month, and much higher by the end of the year. This stock traded at almost $260 a share just 2 years ago. Next, we look at GNC Investment Corporation, ticker symbol AGNC. This is the first real estate investment trust that I've suggested, and out of the dozens that get lots of attention, I like the charts on this one. The company invests in residential mortgage pass-through securities and funds its investments through short-term borrowings structured as repurchase agreements. I like that it's affordable at $22.21 a share. It has low volatility. The stock has been climbing steadily. It also has great volume levels, making it very liquid compared to most of the REITs that I've researched, and best of all, if you get in by June 30th, you'll get a monthly dividend. The next monthly dividend will be 18 cents a share. This is equal to the May dividend that was declared. I'm not long on this, but I think through the end of the year, it's worth holding on to. Next, I suggest looking at Twitter, ticker symbol TWTR. There's been some real positive news regarding advertising initiatives. The launch of the Super Hearts feature for tipping Periscope broadcasters, a feature that worked very well for growing YouTube and Twitch. As far as technicals, Twitter just advanced above the 250-day moving averages. Very bullish moves, which should equate to higher stock prices in the weeks to come. Next, we have Synergy Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol SGYP. This New York City biopharmaceutical company focuses on therapies that treat gastrointestinal diseases and disorders. It has a $1+ billion market cap and some very prominent investors. Their CIC drug, Trulance, was launched just 3 months ago, and in that short period of time, nearly 2/3 of individuals with commercial insurance have unrestricted access to it. In less than 7 months, the FDA may even approve it for treating IBS, so watch this one closely. I conclude with Micron Technology, ticker symbol MU. With its corporate headquarters in Boise, Idaho, it's a technological behemoth providing semiconductor systems worldwide. It has a $35 billion plus market cap and has been pretty steady over the years. Most analysts rate MU between a buy and a strong buy, and I think leading up to its earnings report on Thursday, June 29th, after the bell, you'll have a good opportunity to make some money on your investment. Whether you want to hold after the report is up to you and your risk tolerance. Lately, I'm not a big fan of holding until numbers are announced, but that's just me. Please don't forget, investing in the stock market carries risk, and you should always do your own research before investing in any particular stock. If you like the information we present, please tell your fellow investors. Your referrals mean a lot. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe. See you in a week.